In this video, we'll learn how to use the story copy command in ideCAD Structural to duplicate modeled elements between stories efficiently. You'll see how to handle beams, braces, and slabs, and understand why steel columns aren't copied automatically. With just a few clicks, you'll accelerate multi-story modeling and prepare the framework for final detailing. Before continuing with modeling new elements, I'd like to explain one of the commands that helps streamline the process, the story copy command. But first, I noticed something. We missed placing bracings in one of the bays. Let's quickly add the vertical bracings in that span. First, I'll switch the bracing type to inverted V. Now, about the story copy command. This tool allows you to copy all modeled elements on the active story without needing to select them manually. You can also copy only selected objects if needed. I've opened the plan view for better visibility. I'm currently on the ground floor. I drew a window from left to right, top to bottom, and selected all the elements. On the vertical toolbar, there's a story copy button. While doing this, I want to highlight something important. In the software's logic, steel columns should not be copied across stories. Even if they are selected, the program will not copy them and no errors will occur. This allows for quick selection without worry. Instead, columns should be modeled to their full height and segmented using the divide command, then connected with appropriate joints at each level. Now, since I selected elements from the ground floor plan, I'll copy them to the upper floors. I clicked the story copy button again. In the dialog that appeared, there were two additional options. I enabled both. I ensured that Copy Only Selected Entities is active and Erase Old Entities is deactivated. This is crucial because we've already modeled the roof. If this box is checked, the software would erase those roof elements. I clicked OK, and as you can see, the objects were quickly copied. However, I'm going to undo the operation. Why? Because I didn't intend to place a slab at the intermediate floor level. The undo was quick, and this turned out to be a useful demonstration for understanding how the tool works. Now, I'll proceed with copying only the beams and braces to the next floor. Why just these elements? Because the geometry on the upper level is slightly different. There won't be a slab there, and in the sloped roof area, there aren't any elements on the second floor. So, I selected only the beams and braces and copied them to the second floor. Again, I chose to copy only the selected entities. Done. Let's zoom in to take a closer look. The bracings have been modeled quickly, and the beams are also in place. With just a few steps, we've created the structural framework of the model. From this point on, it's all about fine detailing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the knowledge base for more tips. See you in the following video.